Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And of course, late last week, optional updates for Windows 11 became available, which appeared as they installed here on my PC as, just go here, update history. So this was the KB5074105 preview update. And for me, everything seems to work fine, but there is a few things that seem to be going wrong for some users, including the onboard cameras of some laptops that stop working after this update, apparently. So this is something to take note of. Of course, a preview update is optional until Patch Tuesday, so you could just ignore it and not install it. And, wait till Patch Tuesday. That's why they call it preview updates. They often fix things in there before they release it with Patch Tuesday in general. So you can wait. There's also something that I will talk in a video. I've had quite a few people come back to me saying something changed, and I don't understand why. And we're going to check that out in the next video. And it's not a flaw. It's something that has to do with storage, and it is something that Microsoft has changed to make Windows more secure. So, yep, KB5074105 is available. Brings your build to 26100, 26200.7705. And has a pretty long list of features and bug fixes. So we'll slowly look at that and see what we talk about in there. But you know what? You can ignore it and wait to Patch Tuesday of February, which is going to happen this month, next week, of course, as will be the February the 10th. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.